Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Trip.com Group Limited, a leading global travel service provider. With robust growth in both domestic and international travel, Trip.com is making significant strides in the travel industry. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Trip.com Group Limited reported strong financial results for the second quarter of 2024, with significant growth in both domestic and international travel segments. The company achieved a 14% year-over-year increase in net revenue, driven by robust travel demand. Key highlights include a 20% increase in accommodation bookings, a 70% year-over-year increase in international OTA brand revenue, and a recovery of outbound hotel and air reservations to pre-COVID levels. The company also reported a net income of RMB 3.9 billion and an adjusted EBITDA of RMB 4.4 billion, with an improved EBITDA margin of 35%.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the second quarter of 2024 was $1.8 billion, representing a 14% increase from the same period in 2023 and a 7% increase from the previous quarter.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP diluted earnings per share (EPS) for the second quarter of 2024 was RMB 5.57, while the non-GAAP diluted EPS was RMB 7.25, $1. This compares to a GAAP EPS of RMB 4.3 billion for the previous quarter and a non-GAAP EPS of RMB 4.1 billion for the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Accommodation reservation revenue for Q2 2024 was RMB 5.1 billion, 707 million, a 20% increase year-over-year and a 14% increase from the previous quarter. Transportation ticketing revenue for Q2 2024 was RMB 4.9 billion, 670 million, a 1% increase year-over-year, but a 3% decrease from the previous quarter. Package tour revenue for Q2 2024 was RMB 1.0 billion, 141 million, a 42% increase year-over-year and a 16% increase from the previous quarter. Corporate travel revenue for Q2 2024 was RMB 633 million, 87 million, an 8% increase year-over-year and a 24% increase from the previous quarter.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The company announced its dedication to leveraging AI to revolutionize the travel industry and provide exceptional value to customers. Additionally, Trip.com repurchased approximately 6.0 million ADSs in an aggregate amount of approximately $300 million.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company did not provide specific revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year in the article.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Trip.com Group Limited demonstrated strong financial performance in the second quarter of 2024, with significant growth in both domestic and international travel segments. The company's adaptability and strategic initiatives, such as leveraging AI, position it well for future success. The robust increase in net revenue, net income, and adjusted EBITDA indicates a positive outlook for the company.
That's all for today's analysis of Trip.com Group Limited's impressive performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Trip.com is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.